You can use arrow functions to convert your functions into function expressions. I have two functions here. One is calculating area of the circle and another is adding two numbers. Let's convert this get area into function expression. For that, I'm going to say get area is equal to function which takes radius as a parameter and returns area of the circle. But now if I refresh the page, it's going to throw an error because it's not going to find get area when it calls here. So we need to define our function expression before we call get area. So I'm going to put my get area function expression on top of the page here and then refresh the page. And it's going to calculate area of the circle and then addition of the two numbers. You can even make your function shorter by removing this function keyword and using arrow sign here. And now if I refresh the page, then also it's going to work. If your function has only one statement, then you can remove these curly braces and the return keyword and just return the calculation like this. So now our function is just one statement. Now if I refresh the page, it's going to calculate area of the circle. Let's try to do the same thing with add function. For that, I'm going to cut this add function and paste it here. Remove this function keyword, make add equal to function which takes two parameters, and instead of using curly braces and return keyword, I'm going to use arrow sign here which returns addition of two numbers. And now if I refresh the page, that's going to calculate area of the circle and addition of two numbers. I can even pass different numbers to test it properly. I'm going to pass 5 and 6 here. So it's going to calculate area of the circle for radius 15 and add 5 and 6, which is going to be 11. So this is how you can use arrow functions to convert your functions into function expressions and make them shorter. In the next section, I'm going to talk about events.